Alright guys, my last smoothie review broke them internets, and now we have the upgraded Nutribullet Pro Plus, or just a Nutribullet Pro in general. This is the new Nutribullet Pro, and let me tell you, this thing is awesome. So, first off, it has kind of like sleek new design, kind of futuristic. Has the same sticky things right here, which is awesome. And these stick really well because it's funny. You gotta be careful. Actually, pick it up, and then it's stuck so well it flips out, and then it lands on my hand. So, kind of pick it up with two hands, maybe. Yeah. So it's a little different. Then you actually get different cups. So, see, it's all full. I'm ready to blend it up right now. It's all full. So you get kind of three different sizes. So, and there's the other sizes. I guess the only unfortunate thing is the old ones, Nutribullet Pro Plus, don't fit in this one, which kind of a bummer. Kind of a bummer. But what are you gonna do? You know. So the new cups are nice though, and these kind of tend to wear out pretty quickly. Anyway, or not quickly, they wear out. So three new sizes. I think it's a 24 ounce. 30 ounce, 224 ounces, I think. But yeah, I love using the big one, which is this one. Big boy. That's my favorite one. You can make them real big. So, got all full up. There was a max fill line, but I'm a bad boy. I don't listen to that too much. I just make sure there's like at least, I would say like an inch. Just don't, this one you can't fill to the very, very top. The Nutribullet Pro Plus, the old one, you could. If you're going to choose between the two, I would get this new one. I think it actually works a little better. Once I show you it as well, you'll see that it works really good. The blending action is like actually superior to the old one. So, all right, let's put it on there. It's a little different too. So it twirls on, kind of similar to the other one, but it kind of doesn't like screw in and turn. Do this a little bit. It kind of just like goes on top, and you turn ever so slightly, and it locks in. And then I do it right. Once I just broke it. Oh, there we go. So that was the first time that's ever happened. It's usually super bulletproof. You just not bulletproof. I had to turn it more. You just push it in, start turning. Then it kind of locks in just by screwing it like that, and then. It's kind of cool. So now there's two buttons. There's this top button and the bottom button. It's similar to the last one where, I'll show you. The last one had like pulse. This one, the pulse is right there at the bottom, and the top is the normal thing. So like the other one, we'll hit the other one you have to hold it too. This one's kind of nice. You just tap this, tap-a-roo. That's your mouth. Pulse it. You just give a little tappy tap. Hope it didn't blow out the microphone. But yeah, so I did it really quick. I mean, I wasn't even paying attention. What was that? 30 seconds. It definitely blends it better. And I wasn't paying attention. Let me just hold it for a sec. I want to just tap this. Ooh, see, it was getting a little naughty right there. A little tap, tap. Yeah, so I probably just overdid it right there with the blending, but just wanted to show you. And it usually works flawless. It was kind of freaking out, I guess, because it was on camera. It's camera shy. But no, I really like the upgrade, and let's open it up. This can be on there. It's definitely a little nice, the vacuum seal, and then the blender is a little nicer too. It's like a little more refined. Let's see, I'll get a shot so I'll get in the blender. It's like a little different. It's definitely sharper. You gotta be more careful. Definitely sharper tips. And then smoothie. Let's see the consistency. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Let's quit playing around here. There we go. So really makes it perfect. It's a great. The new Nutribullet. Don't mind my 15 water bottles. The new one is really amazing. I would definitely recommend it. Let's cap this thing off. Best of straw in there. So there you go. Definitely check out the new one. Nutribullet Pro Plus. Oh yeah. Tropical. And then if you want to click over here, you can watch the OG Nutribullet video. Till next time, be out of here. Peace. Right there.